In this video, we'll show you how to make your own programs using Scratch. This is fun and easy thanks to the RoboMaster app's simplified drag-and-drop programming blocks. Open the RoboMaster app. Go to Lab, then DIY Programming. Create a new program. You will see numerous blocks available on the left side of your screen. Simply drag a block into the programming area to perform the command. Blocks must be placed in the Start block, otherwise the command will not be performed. Tap and hold the block. Choose Duplicate to copy it. Tap and hold the block. Choose Delete block to delete it, or drag the block to the trash bin on the left side of your screen. After editing, tap the Run button to run your program. You can also open the FPV screen to check the environment and operating performance. Here, you can find more specific information about the S1 status and variables. Tap the icon and you can see the programming block's corresponding Python program. Visual Programming Operation. Let's take Twister as an example to show how to program with Scratch. In Twister, the S1 chassis and gimbal rotate in opposite directions, while the blaster launches gel beads. In order to make the chassis and gimbal move in different directions, first we need to set the travel mode. Choose the Set Travel Mode block under the System category and drag it into the Start block. Choose Free as the travel mode. Then adjust or set the chassis, gimbal, and blaster settings. Choose Set the Chassis Rotation Speed block from the Chassis category and drag it into the Start block. Tap the Rotation Speed block and then set the rotation speed to 120 degrees per second. Choose the Gimbal Rotation Speed block under the Gimbal category and drag it inside the Start block. Tap the Rotation block and then set the rotation speed to 120 degrees per second. Choose the Number of beads and Full Auto blocks and drag them into the Start block. Set the number of beads per launch to 8. To ensure the S1 can continue twisting, choose the Always block under the Commands category and drag it below the gimbal and chassis blocks. Then, set up the Always block to make the chassis and gimbal rotate in different directions. Choose the Gimbal Rotate block and drag it to an empty space in the programming area. Set the direction to right. Choose the Chassis Rotation Duration block from the Chassis category. Set the direction to left and the duration to 0.2 seconds. Tap and hold the block and then duplicate it. Move the duplicated block under the original one. Set the duplicated block's direction to the opposite of the original block. Move the 4 blocks together into the Always block. After the above steps are completed, the chassis and gimbal should move in opposite directions continuously when you run the program. Before running the program, you can turn on the FPV screen on the top right of the page to check your surroundings. Make sure no one is in front of the blaster. Tap the Run button and the S1 will perform the action. To stop the program, just tap the Stop button. Tap the Exit icon to exit. Tap Yes to save the project. Thank you for watching. Hit the like button if this tutorial was helpful. If you need any support with your DJI gear, feel free to contact us via Facebook Messenger by following the link in the description. Thank you for watching.